Today we're going to be unboxing, building, and reviewing the Harry Potter Shrieking Shack and Whomping Willow. It's set 76407 and it comes with 777 pieces. It's a pretty cool set. It also comes with 6 minifigures, but you also get the werewolf and the animals and stuff. So let's open this thing. Alright, so here's the finished product. Overall, this is a nice looking set. When I finished it, it looked pretty cool. Just this by itself, like this house, I guess, or the shack. I like all these little details, like the boarded up windows and the door and the snow coming off. Those are really cool details. And on the inside, you can see there's like a piano, a fireplace, and some paintings, and a chest and all that stuff. So those are really nice details. Especially this one on the side where you can just open it, they can leave and go out in there. That's pretty cool. And then you got the willow, which this can move like in the movie. So you just turn it and it starts moving, which is pretty sick. And then the werewolf, and the werewolf over there. I do like all the minifigures. It's just some of the builds that I see of Harry Potter doesn't look that appealing to me. Like some of like the castles and stuff look kind of bland, but this one's pretty cool. So I'm glad I got this one. And I'm glad I finally got to build it. Alright, so if you guys enjoy the video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'm almost at 100 subscribers by the time I'm making this video, so the giveaway is still on. I didn't forget about it. So just subscribe, and we're like 3 subscribers away, so yeah.